Ready to transform your silent video into an audio-visual masterpiece. First, let's import your media. If you haven't already, click the Import Media button in the top left corner to add your video clips to Clipchamp. Now, to add background music, locate the audio file you want to use. Once you've selected it, it will appear in your media library within Clipchamp. Simply drag and drop your chosen audio file from the media library onto the timeline below your video clips. This creates a dedicated audio track. To adjust the length, click and drag the edges of the audio clip on the timeline. This allows you to trim the audio to perfectly match the duration of your video. To adjust the volume, select the audio clip on the timeline. Then use the volume slider in the Properties panel on the right. Experiment to find the perfect balance between your music and video. Need a voiceover? Click Record and Create. Then select Voice Recorder, grant microphone access and record your narration. Once done, save the recording. Drag your saved voice recording from the media library onto the timeline, placing it where you want it to be heard in your video. Want to add sound effects? Clipchamp has a built-in stock library. Search for sound effects, preview them, and add them to your project the same way you added music. Drag and drop onto the timeline. And that's it. You've successfully added audio to your Clipchamp video. Experiment with different sounds, adjust volumes, and create the perfect audio experience for your viewers.